What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, show me a little bit of support, hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel out. So this is actually the very first video of this channel. I actually had a video ready to go yesterday, but didn't realize I was having issues with my audio, and the video was a little choppy, so I didn't really want to put that video out. But just kind of an overview about what my channel is going to be about. Obviously, it's a futures trading channel. Anybody that does future trading, you want to hit the point where you don't have a 9 to 5. You can just trade pretty much every day, whether it be 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. Either way, my goal is to get to the point where I can just go live every day. Even if I'm not getting in a trade, being able to chat with you guys, tell you some of the things that have worked for me. But again, just to kind of start off, I've been trading off and on for about 3.5 years. Sucked for probably the first 2 years. I watched too many videos, tried 50 million different strategies, indicators, you name it, I tried it, and never found anything consistent that actually worked for me. The last probably 3 to 5 months, it has been where everything has just clicked, and it's kind of, I can see the chart, I see where things are moving. I've gotten way more consistent, but like I said, this channel, again, I want to start off showing my trading journey to pass these prop firm accounts, so you can kind of see how I do my trading, getting to funded, and then again, once I am funded, trading those accounts live on actual live YouTube lives with you guys. But like I said, starting off with those accounts, again, yesterday messed up, but we'll kind of jump into the chart to kind of show you how my day went on the 27th, which was yesterday. So started the day out, got in my first trade. Once I activated that account, got in, it hit for 235 on the very first trade. And again, that's one of the big things that's different about my trading style now, is all these different trading strategies and everything I used to watch in videos. You see all these Mamba FX, all these different guys, $30,000 trade, $25,000, $100,000 trade. That's just not realistic consistently, in my opinion. And I had that mindset going in when I first started trading, that I wanted to hit that $1,500, $2,000 trade all day long. And I just blew accounts over and over again. I basically paid what paid out all these other traders that were consistent. But again, the last 3 to 5 months, I just got a lot more consistent. There's a guy that I watched on YouTube named Trades by Matt, and it was a video I watched of his that actually made things kind of click for me. It wasn't really his trading style or anything like that, but it was more of stop swinging for the fences on your trades, take base hits, and that applies 100% when you're doing these funded challenges, because most of these futures, and again, I came from trading Forex first, switched to futures. I like futures a lot better, but that trailing drawdown that most of the accounts have when you're going through these, base hits are what you have to do to stay consistent on it. So now at most $200 to $300 per trade is all I'm looking for. I can usually get in and out of a trade within 5 minutes and hit that 200 to 300 consistently. If it is something that I see enough confluences where I think it's going to go higher, I'll stay in a little bit longer, maybe hit $500 to $700, but I don't try and push my luck. Again, I've had too many times where I try and stay in and got greedy, and it ended up backfiring, and I either lost money on it or had times, again, where I've blown the account. But you'll kind of see on here, like I said, the 235 I hit on the very first trade, hit that trade, got up, grabbed something to eat, grabbed a drink, came back about 15 to 20 minutes later and made a huge mistake, but it was a learning lesson. I have been doing all these funded challenges on Trade-Evate, and typically with Trade-Evate, I have the button up top where I just click and close out or flatten all the trades, which closes all your positions. I've gotten used to doing that. Literally within the last week or so, I've switched over and started doing my trades on TradingView, just because I like marking the charts up better. It's a lot easier to use and customize on TradingView. But I made the mistake of not closing out my take profit and stop loss when I closed this trade out. The market was, going, it ended up hitting, and again, when I came back, I was negative $720 on the account, closed it out, took my loss. Typically the way I am now, 500 is my stop loss. If it hits that, I'll close it out. I can fight my way back for the most part. But as you can see, after that, I came back and hit every trade after that, one for 420, one for 505, 190, 230. But as you can see, as the day went on, I mean, this is the last hour before market closed, there wasn't a lot of volume going on in the market, so it's kind of hard to hit anything on it. That's kind of my trading style. I mean, like I said, you take that one trade out that I just screwed up, made a stupid mistake, and I was 100% trading on it. just because I'm not swinging for the fences. It's $200 to $300. Again, the way that I look at it, I can easily find 5 to 10 trades a day where I can hit $200 and have a consistent $1,000 day versus waiting for that one trade to hopefully hit for 1,500, 2,000, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, some of the tools that I've actually started using that have helped out a lot, just kind of wanted to go through with you guys. So one of the big ones that I really like, I've just subscribed to it within the last probably week and a half, is going to be TradeZella. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube that have used TradeZella, and like I said, it's actually really cool just because they have a back testing tool on here where you can go back, and I've been rolling it back a month behind, 2 months behind, a week, whatever, and just going through with my same trading strategy. And as you can see, I mean, I'm 72%, 100%. That was what, 11 trades, and I just did one. That was where I was setting a different one up. But like I said, I like it because you can go in and play with your strategy, and it just lets you get a little more consistent. There are things that I see in the market now that I didn't see before. It's got a lot of cool features that are on it. Like I said, you got the dashboard that's set up. This is actually my FundingTicks account that I have on here right now that I'm doing the trading for, the challenge. But you can link that account to it. It tracks everything on here for you, your trades, your daily, everything. You've got a daily journal where you can kind of go in and put, you know, things you noticed about the market or whatever. Obviously your trades, you've got a notebook, trading notes, sessions recap. I haven't gone through some of these things on here. Those were just the things at the top that I liked. Then you got a progress tracker where you can kind of see on here what you're looking for on everything. But like I said, it has a lot of cool features on here. And then they've got a university. Haven't really gone through this. I'll probably watch some of these videos this weekend and just kind of see. I don't know if it's more or less just how to use TradeZella or if it has strategies on it. But it's actually a really cool platform. Right now, I think I have the lowest one, which is like 29 bucks just for one account. I'm going to bump it up to the other one because I have like 2 or 3 funded and 3 or 4. I'm going to start some other challenges again next week. But again, the goal of this channel, hopefully you guys want to follow me, jump on tomorrow night and Monday afternoon, Monday morning, you know, to trade live. Hopefully some of you guys want to jump on, follow the trading journey with me. But that way you can kind of see my trading style. Again, it probably looks stupid, doesn't make sense, and I'm probably going to get made fun of, but as you can see, it works for me. I'm at 87% on my first day. I'll almost guarantee by the time I finish this challenge that I'll be at 72% or higher. Again, just because I don't swing for the fences. But hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you want to follow me on the journey. But again, if you like the video, please be sure to like and subscribe down below. Comment down below. Tell me what your trading style is, what you want to see in future videos. But I appreciate it, everybody. Have a great week.